Imagine this. You're spending time with a girl, and you feel the chemistry, but she hasn't said anything direct. Then she reveals something about herself that makes you wonder if she's waiting for you to make a move. If you've ever felt unsure in this moment, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through the things girls reveal when she's begging for you to take the next step. 1. She gets closer to you physically. Physical proximity is one of the biggest giveaways that she's hoping you'll make a move. When a girl is into you, she'll find little ways to close the gap between you. Maybe she moves her chair a little closer when you're out together, or she subtly leans into you when you're talking. It's like her body is telling you, "Come on, what are you waiting for?" Pay attention to her body language when you're sitting next to each other. Does she sit with her legs crossed toward you? Does she brush her arm against yours when she laughs? These aren't accidents. She's trying to create opportunities for more physical connection. If you're watching a movie together and she moves closer to rest her head on your shoulder or scoots right next to you, it's a clear sign she's giving you the green light. She's revealing that she's comfortable with you and that she's ready for things to get a little more intimate. 2. She initiates playful or flirty touches. Flirty touching is a major sign that she's ready for you to make a move. If she's playfully tapping your arm, touching your hand while laughing, or even accidentally bumping into you, she's telling you, in a not-so-subtle way, that she's comfortable with physical contact. These playful touches are often the easiest way for her to test the waters and see how you'll react. If you reciprocate by touching her arm back or placing your hand on hers, you're signaling that you're on the same page. She's revealing that she wants more than just friendship. She wants to break that physical barrier and take things to the next level. Maybe you've noticed she starts fixing your shirt collar or gently brushing something off your shoulder. These aren't random acts. They're small gestures that signal she's ready for more, and she's practically begging for you to catch on and make a move. 3. She gives you deep, lingering eye contact. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, and in the case of attraction, eye contact can speak louder than words. If she's giving you deep, lingering looks, especially in moments when you're not even talking, it's a huge sign that she's hoping you'll make a move. Have you ever caught her staring at you from across the room, only for her to quickly look away when you notice? Or maybe you're sitting together, and she locks eyes with you, holding that gaze just a little too long. These moments of prolonged eye contact are her way of revealing that she's not just enjoying your company. She's drawn to you in a way that goes beyond friendly conversation. The next time she gives you that lingering look, pay attention. If her gaze shifts to your lips or she smiles softly while maintaining eye contact, it's her way of saying, "I'm ready for you to make a move." She might not say it outright, but her eyes will give her away every time. 4. She mirrors your body language. Mirroring is one of those subconscious things people do when they're attracted to someone. When a girl starts mimicking your movements, whether it's the way you're sitting, your hand gestures, or even your speech patterns, it's a sign that she's deeply connected to you in that moment. Let's say you lean forward during a conversation, and she does the same. Or maybe you cross your arms, and after a few seconds she mirrors your posture. This kind of behavior is a clear indicator that she's tuned into you and is trying to create a deeper sense of rapport. Mirroring shows that she's subconsciously aligning herself with you. It's her way of revealing that she's paying close attention to your cues and is feeling a growing connection. When you notice this happening, it's a strong signal that she's waiting for you to take things further. 5. She drops hints about being single or available. If she's mentioning that she's single or subtly hinting at her relationship status, that's a pretty big sign that she's hoping you'll make a move. Girls don't usually talk about being single unless they're trying to let you know they're available and interested. Maybe you're having a casual conversation and she says something like, "Yeah, I've been single for a while now, just waiting for the right guy." This isn't just small talk. It's her way of letting you know that she's open to something more with you. She's not telling you this because she's bored. She's revealing that she's emotionally and romantically available, and she wants to see if you'll step up. Pay attention to the context in which she drops these hints. If she's talking about dating or mentions that her friends keep trying to set her up with someone, she's planting seeds in the conversation, hoping you'll pick up on the fact that she's ready for something to happen between you two. 6. She starts talking about relationship. When a girl starts steering the conversation toward relationships or dating, it's usually not random. She's trying to gauge where you stand and maybe even push the conversation toward the possibility of the two of you becoming more than just friends. She might ask questions like, "So, what do you look for in a girl?" Or, "Have you been dating anyone recently?" These questions aren't just for small talk. They're her way of subtly revealing that she's thinking about what a relationship with you would be like. She's testing the waters, seeing how you'll respond. If she's actively engaging you in conversations about love, romance, and relationships, She's hoping that you'll pick up on her interest and start thinking about making a move. 7. She compliments you in ways that go beyond friendship. Compliments can sometimes be tricky to read, but when a girl starts complimenting you in ways that seem more romantic or personal, it's a clear sign she's begging you to make a move. It's not just the typical, "you're a good friend" type of compliments. It's the kind of flattery that focuses on your looks, your personality, or even your vibe. If she says things like, "You have such a great smile," or "You always know how to make me feel better," these compliments are revealing that she's seeing you in a romantic light. She's noticing things about you that go beyond the surface, and she's hoping that by complimenting you, she'll spark something more between you two. Maybe she tells you, "I feel so comfortable around you," or "You're really different from other guys I've met." These kinds of compliments aren't just about your friendship, they're about her attraction to you. She's revealing that she's ready for something more, and she's hoping you'll take the hint and make the first move. 8. She stays late or creates opportunities to be alone with you. If a girl is making an effort to spend more time with you, especially alone, she's practically begging you to make a move. Whether it's staying late after a group hangout or suggesting you grab a drink just the two of you, she's creating opportunities for intimacy. Let's say you're hanging out with a group of friends, and when everyone else leaves, she lingers a bit longer. Or maybe she asks if you want to walk her home after dinner, even though it's out of your way. These aren't just casual decisions. They're intentional moves to get more one-on-one time with you, and she's hoping that during this time, you'll pick up on her signals and make a move. Sometimes she'll even suggest activities where you can be alone together, like going for a drive or inviting you over to watch a movie. When she's creating these opportunities, she's revealing that she wants more from you, and she's giving you the perfect chance to take the next step. So now that you know how to spot those signs, what's next for you? Discover what girls say when they think you're sexy, or learn what type of men they usually find attractive. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.